In today's highly competitive job market, standing out from the crowd is crucial to career success. Whether you're looking for new opportunities or aiming to advance within your current organization, building a strong personal brand can be a game changer. And when it comes to personal branding in the professional sphere, there's no better platform than LinkedIn. LinkedIn has evolved from being just another social networking site to becoming the go-to platform for professionals worldwide. With over 740 million members and counting, it offers an unparalleled opportunity to showcase your skills, experience, and expertise. But how exactly can building a strong personal brand on LinkedIn transform your career? Let's delve into the details. Establishing credibility and expertise. When recruiters or potential employers come across your profile on LinkedIn, they are seeking evidence of credibility and expertise in their respective fields. By carefully crafting your profile with relevant information about your experience, education, certifications, and accomplishments, you establish yourself as an authority figure in your industry. Use emotional objectives. Imagine being recognized as an expert in your field, someone whose opinion matters and who is sought after for advice or collaboration. This recognition not only opens doors to exciting opportunities but also boosts self-confidence and satisfaction in one's professional journey. Expanding your network. LinkedIn provides an extensive network of professionals spanning various industries around the globe. By actively engaging with this community through meaningful interactions such as sharing insightful articles or commenting on others' posts thoughtfully, you expand both your reach and influence. Unique rationale. Imagine having access to a vast network of like-minded individuals who share similar goals or interests as yours. People who can offer guidance or mentorship along the way while also presenting potential business partnerships or job prospects that were previously unimaginable. Showcasing your personal story. Beyond just listing achievements and qualifications on LinkedIn, the platform allows you to tell your personal story, your journey, values, and passions. Utilize the About section to share a compelling narrative that resonates with your target audience. What, why, how? By sharing your unique experiences and motivations behind pursuing a particular career path or industry, you create an emotional connection with others who may have gone through similar journeys. This authenticity not only distinguishes you from other professionals but also helps build trust and rapport. Building thought leadership. LinkedIn is an ideal platform for establishing yourself as a thought leader in your field. Publishing original content on relevant topics or sharing valuable insights through articles or posts positions you as someone who stays ahead of industry trends and actively contributes to the professional community. Numbers. According to LinkedIn data, professionals who regularly publish content receive 9x more profile views than those who don't engage in content creation. This statistic alone highlights the power of thought leadership in attracting attention and opportunities. Enhancing visibility for job opportunities. Recruiters often turn to LinkedIn when searching for potential candidates for job openings within their organizations. By optimizing your profile with keywords specific to your industry or desired role, you increase the chances of being discovered by recruiters seeking individuals with your skill set. Expand on points. Additionally, joining relevant groups on LinkedIn can expose you to hidden job opportunities shared within these communities by fellow professionals or recruiters actively looking for talent outside traditional channels. In conclusion, building a strong personal brand on LinkedIn has become essential for career success in today's competitive landscape. By establishing credibility and expertise, expanding networks, showcasing personal stories, building thought leadership, and enhancing visibility for job opportunities, professionals can unlock new doors of opportunity that were previously inaccessible. So take charge of your professional journey today. Invest time in crafting an impressive LinkedIn profile that reflects not only what you've achieved but also who you are as a person, someone whose unique skills and experiences bring value to any organization or industry. Remember, your personal brand is the key to unlocking success in your career.